These TV settings are your baseline TV settings. These are what's going to help, increase the contrast or your brightness or your colors and all that stuff in the TV settings to maximize your experience.
Hey everyone, it's the Hi-Fi Brothers. We're going to give our viewers really quick rundown of what our TV settings are. You're going to do your Hisense 100-inch. I know a lot of people have watched actually that video, the review that we did, and been flooding the comments of, hey, what are the best TV settings for this one? So I think that would be helpful for a lot of those viewers. So let's do that.
Hi guys. This is Ralph again. This is my Hisense 100-inch U76 settings. So I'm going to go to my menu. Right now I got it on Dolby Vision Custom because I want to adjust my Dolby Vision. So first thing what you want to do is go to your brightness. Check your brightness, your local dimming on high, right? Brightness, I set it to about 90 to about 100%. In this case I had it to 90%. My contrast 65%. My black level, like I said, 0 or to -5 or +5 depending on your content. The gamma ray is set to default at 2.2, so you don't have to adjust that. Leave your contrast, all active contrast off. You don't want that on because it actually diminishes your contrast. Next setting is your color. In this case, I have my color space set to BT 2020 because I want the maximum colors in that scene. So with me, I set it to warm, and obviously I had to put my color down because this is a specific TV that I have. If I set it too high, the colors will wash out. So I had to lower my colors to make it look really true to itself. Dynamic color enhancement off because then you won't be able to do a calibration on your colors if you need to calibrate. Clarity, like I said, is your sharpness. I have it all the way to 0. I have everything off. Precision detail, that's a Dolby Vision but I have that on. So what it does, it actually enhances the lights in the dark areas. In your calibration settings, you go to your color tuner. I can enhance my reds. I can go to YouTube and plug in a color, and then I can make my color calibrations from there. And as you see, I have my color calibrations all set, and that's what I use. And that's pretty much it. And so with my experience on HDR or even Dolby Vision, those are the settings that I put, and that's what maximizes my TV experience. Since we're in the PlayStation, I want to show you something really cool here. Your settings, when you go to your screen video, now here's the thing you want to look at. Your resolution, leave it at automatic. This 1440p output, don't even bother about doing it. Now, here's your VRR. With my TV, the reason why I have that setting off is because I started noticing that there's ghosting in the scene. It makes it fast, but I leave that off. 120 hertz output, I leave that automatic. Here's your ALLM, auto low latency mode. I leave that on because I want the fastest latency I can get from between a controller and the game. Your video transfer rate, don't worry about that. Leave that automatic. HDR, only on when supported. The reason why I say that is because if you put it on default, always on, even when you're playing an older game, that HDR content on the older game can make it look washed out. And you can adjust your HDR to your liking. Deep color auto mode, like I said, your PlayStation's really smart. Leave it on automatic. I'll leave RGB color mode on automatic as well as recommended. And that's it.
And the one thing you forgot to mention too is make sure that your TV setting is on game mode, no matter what type of console you're using. Even when I'm using my retro video games, I have that to game mode. That mode is what really lowers your input lag between the controller and what you're seeing on the screen.
Absolutely.
Right? Now remember, these settings are probably not the best settings that are out there, but just adjust those accordingly. That will match, what your specific lighting situation is. Do your best. These settings will help you to get closer to your best viewing experience.
Absolutely, bro. So most importantly, don't overthink it, please.
All right, Ralph. Well, that's awesome. I think that concludes our video.
Absolutely. So make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification button.
And as always,
keep it hi-fi.